This 5-minute solution will show you how to link Twitter to Instagram. First of all, you have to open your browser. And now, in the search box, type twitter.com. And if you're first time here, then sign into your Twitter account. Once done, tap on your profile at the top left and tap on profile. And you will jump into your Twitter profile. Now tap on this URL box. And this is your Twitter profile link or URL. Just tap and hold on it. Tap on copy. Once you copied your Twitter link, go to your Insta application. Go to your profile. Tap on edit profile. Once you are in your Instagram profile editor page, tap on links. Tap on add external link. In this URL box, paste your Twitter profile link. And you can add title here, Twitter. Tap on done. Once it's added, I'm going back to my profile. And here we can see my Twitter profile has been added. Now, to open my Twitter profile from Instagram, tapping on this link, and I'll directly jump into my Twitter profile, as you can see. This is how we can easily link Twitter to Instagram. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.